Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all those new videos. I'm gonna try David's Tea's Anji Green today. It is just a straight green tea, so let's get it steeping first and see what we can learn about Anji Green. I've been holding on to this for a couple of weeks waiting to try it with you. I have my clear glass mug and a metal basket infuser. These are my first product, hopefully towards a business one day. They are sturdy, reliable, easy to clean. So if you need a metal basket infuser, it's always linked below for you. So let's just scoop. These are some pretty long pieces, so kind of hard to scoop. I'm just gonna do my best. Pour in our warm water. We don't want hot for a green tea. We don't want anywhere near boiling. And we'll set this to the side just for a couple minutes because we don't want to oversteep, especially for a first impression. Oh, it smells really like rich, really vegetal, almost like a roasted asparagus note. It might sound crazy, but it smells good. So the only ingredient in this is organic green tea from Anji area, Zhejiang province, China. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And I really like how this tea looks. It is there are these long kind of hay-like pieces of tea. The thing that kind of differentiates between Chinese green teas and Japanese green teas is that when they process them in China, they more commonly fire the teas and sort of press them in a big sort of wok-like pan. So that's why they have these really beautiful long flat shapes. Whereas in Japan, instead of cooking the leaves like that, they steam them. So usually it's more green in color, more salty and oceanic in flavor. Oh, but it smells so good. Let's look at the description on David's Tea's website and see what it says on here. How it tastes: fresh, buttery, and invigorating with vegetal notes of artichoke, asparagus, and a hint of roasted corn. So that asparagus is spot on. Oh, I love roasted corn too. Now that I'm thinking of corn, I can smell it. I don't know if I would have picked it up without reading that first. But I do sort of get that vegetable, not vegetal green like spinach or seaweed, but green like an asparagus or an artichoke, and vegetable like steamed veggies. Actually more like roasted veggies. It does have a bit of a roastiness to it, which you do find a lot in Chinese green teas since they are kind of roasted. Oh, but the combination of the roastiness with the veggie vibes, oh, it smells amazing. Invigorating freshness you'll want to embrace. Grown in the cool, misty foothills of China's Nine Dragons Mountain, this luxuriously rich organic green tea from Anji County steeps ethereal notes of artichokes and asparagus with hints of roasted corn. Plus, it's packed with all the energizing and detoxifying benefits green tea is known for. No wonder this Chinese tea is a real hit amongst green tea lovers. What makes it great? Packed with energizing and detoxifying benefits green tea is known for. This premium organic green tea can only be produced in Anji, a region in China's Zhejiang province, famous for its bamboo forests and fresh mountain air. And there's only one review on it, and it is a 5-star review. And I've heard some good things from all of you when I did my David's Tea haul and showed that I got this tea. This tea definitely is on the expensive side. It is $26 for 2 ounces, so it's about $13 an ounce. Luckily, I had a reward. David's Tea has a rewards program, and I had 2 rewards, so I ended up getting 2 more expensive teas. That's really the time I go for things like that, because I don't think I could justify spending that normally unless it was something I like know I love already. But since I had the opportunity, I really wanted to try a new straight green tea. I also got the Gyokuro Yamashiro, which is a Japanese green tea, and I've been drinking that one and I love it. But if you oversteep it, you will ruin it. So many teas, like I oversteep and I don't even care, I don't even taste much of a difference, but that one is one that you cannot oversteep. And speaking of, let's not oversteep this either. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the infuser now. I'm not sure the color is right. It does seem a little light still, but I'd so much rather be safe than sorry. Because if we look at the picture, it's a bit deeper of a yellow on the website than what I'm seeing here in front of me. But I definitely don't want to overdo it, and it smells like really good. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh my God, it's so good. It has like a sweetness to it. The corn vibe comes through a lot more in the taste than it does in the smell. Oh my gosh. It has like the taste of like a sweet corn. You know when you get like a really good corn and it's like sweet? Oh, it tastes like that. I'm so glad I didn't steep it any longer because it's perfect. So it's definitely different than the Gyokuro. The Japanese one. I was thinking they'd be sort of similar, even though one is a Japanese green tea, one is a Chinese green tea, but this is very different. It is more in line with other Chinese green teas I've had where it has that roastiness, but this is like so sweet, so like naturally, beautifully sweet. And really crisp too. Like the bamboo vibe, the mountain air, like I feel like it comes through. And that's what's so incredible about tea is like, it's almost like you can taste the environment, like that crisp, like sweet air in like a mountainous area. And like the bamboo, like if you've ever had like eaten bamboo shoots, oh, it's so good. I can't even explain how like sweet it is. Yeah, I definitely like, I feel like the asparagus and the artichoke vibe were more prominent in the smell. In the taste, it reminds me much more of like a sweet corn, and it's really good. Wow. Yeah, this is incredible. Is it worth $13 an ounce? Considering like the only place in the world that can grow this flavor is in the Anji area in China, and then it has to go through all those steps to make it like to me in America. I think like, yeah, it probably is really worth the $13 an ounce. Would I spend it again? I probably wouldn't spend it again. Like this is a delicacy. This is like meant to be like sipped slowly and enjoyed. I feel like it's sort of like a special treat yourself or like a once in a lifetime sort of thing. But like, holy crap, this is definitely something special. I'm so glad I had the chance to try it. It almost has like fruit notes to it. It almost has like a melon thing going on. It is so good. I'm so grateful I picked this up and tried it. You know, it's not gonna be something I drink every day. Like it's not gonna like become my morning tea. I'm definitely gonna kind of ration it out. But I do like that it's so fluffy because like that just means I'll get more cups out of it because it is like more volume per ounce. Still really expensive though. Like I'm not just gonna like fire through this one like I do with like my morning teas. I'm gonna really like enjoy and have this on special occasions. because wow, what a delicacy, what a treat. Anji green, I love it. If you're debating what to use your David's Tea reward on and you love green teas, I'd say grab some of this. It is really, really something special. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite straight green tea. I usually go for the Japanese green teas, but I really, really love this one. But I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.